my ISTA is missing a couple key important files which I needed to create, and I'm going to show you how I got this cable working with the latest ISTA. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is plug this cable in and configure the system. So we just need to have it plugged in for the initial configuration. Once it's plugged in, we're going to go to our device manager. Once you open this up, you need to find ports on section, and here you should have your USB port. It has to be plugged in for it to appear. Then we're going to go to port settings, advanced, and we're going to change the port number to COM1. You can use any COM, but in this example, we're using COM1, and making sure you change your latency timer to 1 millisecond. So whatever set to, set it to 1, click OK, and we're done our first step of getting the cable configured. Next, we're going to go to ISTA, find wherever your installation is, and then we're going to look for EDIABAS folder. Not sure how correct pronunciation, but inside here, we're going, now we're going to find the same file, EDIABAS.ini file. We're going to open this up. Is the second step, and we're going to change this interface to say std:/OBD. And I have it here commented on my remote. This is for the ENET cable. So if you're using ENET and K+DCAN cable, then you can switch here between the two. The next item we need to do is, if we don't have this created, and I didn't have mine, so type in Notepad. I have a blank, and I'm just going to go save as. This will take me to the right folder. I'll go into the right folder, and here I will want to say OBD.ini. I'm going to use 2 in the example since I already have it created. Make sure to change to all files. This way it will create you the right suffix. Once you do that, now you have the correct INI, and you'll see it in here. It should be at the bottom right here. It says configuration file with 0 bytes. So that's how we create the file. And then once you have it created, in this case we want ODB, you just need to copy and paste these 4 settings, which is the section for ODB port equal to COM1. That's the COM port we set it to. Hardware equal USB, and retry equals on. Once you create that, ISTA will be able to communicate with your cable. So let's go now to ISTA. This sometimes takes a while, but make sure you guys like and subscribe for more content if you like more BMW and restorations content. Once ISTA is fully up, click the wrench icon, and then we're going to go into vehicle interfaces, and we want to select EDIABAS here, default settings. So this one right here. And then we click OK. Then we're going to go to our operation view, and we want to go read out vehicle status and click complete identification. And then it's going to start scanning the vehicle. This may take some time. All right, so the vehicle is running all its tests right now. We can see it determined the vehicle correctly. There's our E60, 6-speed manual and 54 engine, rear-wheel drive, sedan. We have our factory level software. All right, we can see now that it's scanned everything. We can see all the issues that are coming up. We're going to click the display faults from memory, and that's going to tell us everything that it has. All the issues that we have seen so far haven't been clear. Here's all the information that came up on our first scan, and we'll be addressing each of these issues, starting with the purge valve and then making sure there's no misfires going on afterwards. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more BMW content.